Causes of damaged hair. Introduction. Having damaged hair can be frustrating and disheartening, but the good news is that with the right care and attention, you can restore your hair's health and vitality. This guide will walk you through the causes of damaged hair, how to prevent further damage, and effective treatments to bring your locks back to life. Number 1. Heat styling. Excessive use of hair dryers, curling irons, and straighteners can strip your hair of its natural moisture and weaken the hair shaft. Number 2. Environmental factors. Sun exposure, pollution, and harsh weather conditions can all contribute to hair damage. Number 3. Poor hair care habits. Overwashing, using harsh shampoos, and vigorous towel drying can cause breakage and dryness. Conclusion. Damaged hair is a common issue, but with the right care and patience, you can restore your hair's health and beauty. By understanding the causes, preventing further damage, and following a proper hair care routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving luscious, healthy locks once again. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.